Welcome back to EVAI Labs. Today, we're breaking down the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 3, the battery electric subcompact hatchback that's poised to shake up the affordable EV segment. This compact contender brings Hyundai's proven electric tech into a practical, everyday package, targeting buyers who want efficiency without the bulk of an SUV. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The Ioniq 3 embraces Hyundai's evolving art of steel design language, previewed in the Concept 3, delivering a sleek, aerodynamic hatchback profile that's refreshingly non-crossover. At around 168.8 inches long, 76.4 inches wide, and 56.2 inches tall, with a 107.1-inch wheelbase, it matches the size of the Kia EV3 but sits noticeably lower for that classic hatch stance. The front end features Hyundai's signature parametric pixel lighting, slim LED headlights that wrap into a bold daytime running light signature, and a smooth, closed grille for optimal aero. Body lines flow cleanly from the sculpted hood to the fastback rear, emphasizing efficiency with a drag coefficient likely under 0.25. Side profiles highlight flush door handles, blacked-out pillars for a floating roof effect, and 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels with low rolling resistance tires. The rear showcases connected taillights with pixel motifs, a subtle spoiler, and a clean diffuser for downforce. Color options include vibrant metallics and matte finishes, giving it a modern, youthful vibe that stands out in traffic without screaming for attention. It's built on a downsized E-GMP platform variant, keeping weight low and handling sharp. Overall, the exterior nails the balance of cute, techy, and purposeful, perfect for city dwellers who want something fun to look at every day. Step inside, and the Ioniq 3 feels surprisingly spacious for its class, thanks to smart packaging and the flat-floor EV architecture. The cabin prioritizes minimalism and usability with high-quality materials like soft-touch plastics, sustainable fabrics, and recycled elements throughout. Up front, dual 12.3-inch screens merge into a seamless panoramic display, one for the digital cluster, the other for infotainment, running Hyundai's latest Pleos OS for smooth, customizable interfaces and over-the-air updates. Apple CarPlay Ultra compatibility shines here, along with wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports. The steering wheel is compact with haptic controls, and physical buttons handle key functions like climate and volume for easy use. Front seats offer good bolstering and heating, ventilation on higher trims, while rear space impresses with ample legroom and headroom for adults, plus a 60/40th split folding bench that expands cargo from about 15 cubic feet to over 40 with seats down. A frunk adds extra storage for charging cables. Ambient lighting, a premium sound system, and features like ventilated seats, a head-up display, and advanced driver aids round out the tech. It's quiet on the move, with excellent sound insulation, making commutes relaxing. The interior punches above its weight, feeling premium yet practical, ideal for young families or solo drivers who value versatility. Performance is where the Ioniq 3 delivers everyday usability with a sporty edge. It's front-wheel drive focused, with a single motor producing around 201 horsepower and 209 pound-feet of torque. Acceleration feels peppy, hitting 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 8 seconds, quick enough for merging and fun on twisty roads without being overwhelming. The lower center of gravity and balanced chassis make it agile, with responsive steering and composed handling that outshines many gas-powered hatches. Two battery options include a 58.3 kWh pack for roughly 260 miles of range and an 81.4 kWh unit pushing toward 365 miles on the WLTP cycle, real-world EPA estimates. Might land in the 220 to 300 mile ballpark depending on conditions. The 400-volt architecture supports rapid DC charging up to about 130 kilowatts, adding meaningful range in 20 minutes at peak rates. Regenerative braking is tunable via paddles, and one-pedal driving is smooth. Ride quality prioritizes comfort over stiffness, soaking up urban potholes while staying planted at highway speeds. It's not a rocket like the Ioniq 5N, but it drives confidently, efficiently, and engagingly, proving small EVs can be rewarding. On pricing, the 2026 Ioniq 3 aims to be Hyundai's entry-level EV hero. In key markets like Europe, it starts around €30,000, roughly $32,000 to $33,000 converted, with higher trims and the bigger battery pushing into the mid to high 30s. US availability remains uncertain due to tariffs and market focus, but if it lands stateside, expect a starting price in the low to mid $30,000 range after potential incentives, making it competitive against models like the Chevy Bolt successor or upcoming affordable EVs. Hyundai's strong warranty, 10 years or 100,000 miles on the battery, adds peace of mind. It's a smart buy for budget-conscious buyers seeking modern tech, solid range, and hatchback practicality without compromise. There you have it, the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 3, a compact EV that's smart, stylish, and seriously capable. If this review sparked your interest, smash that like button, subscribe to EVAI Labs for more electric insights, and let me know in the comments if you drive one. Catch you in the next one.